Whew! Sammy, how are you?
Oh.
I see. Well, me too, but we did a great job.
I'm actually full of life and ready to continue, even if we cleaned everything.
Wait a minute.
Huh?
What is this?
This? What? Where?
Why didn't you clean the dressing table?
Well, you know what?
What?
You could have thrown all this junk a long time ago. It only occupies space.
Someone could just clean up better.
But no worries, we're gonna move all this stuff.
But where?
Hi guys! Today we're going to make something unusual. Glue yourself to the screen not to miss a thing.
Mon amour, let me give you this heart to make it up to ya.
Sam, quit fooling around. Even if hearts like these will do.
Whoa, so big! What do we need them for?
You'll see soon. We'll need pieces like these. Sammy, could you help me cut them out?
Yep, sure. Here you are.
Wow, so quick.
Yep, I'm the master of cardboard cutting.
Perfect. Pieces like these will fit great. Now let's get started.
Look out!
Sammy, you're such a joker. Let's carefully glue the piece and attach it this way. Good. Hey, Sammy, are you gonna help me?
Of course. No problem.
Wow, check it out. We've almost finished the framing, Sam. Now let's join the two sides of our heart.
They're joined forever.
Oh, Sam. As usual, but we still have work to do, you know? Let's apply some glue on the parts of our heart. Don't miss anything. And attach this wall inside our heart. Sam, we need more pieces like this.
Done! Am I a good assistant?
Oh, a perfect one. This way we can finish the craft very soon. Wow, so beautiful, isn't it, guys?
Sue, we forgot to cover the upper part of our heart.
As you see, here pieces won't be straight, so I made little cuts on the surface of the cardboard. It became very flexible. Now we can glue it. Bring the remaining parts. We're at the midpoint of our craft. Has anyone guessed what we're making?
Is this my new apartment?
Any other suggestions?
But it's obviously an apartment. This is a kitchen, and here I'll have my bedroom.
It's especially cool without windows, right? Come on, Sam, don't disturb me.
Fine, we'll see who wins.
Don't be mad. You actually can live here, if you fit.
Anyway, what is it, Sue? Tell me, Sue, tell me!
If you help me cutting right here very precisely, I'll tell you what it is. Deal?
All right, I'll take you at your word.
Sure. While you're cutting, I'm going to glue some other pieces. This one goes here. Perfect. Guys, don't forget to be careful when working with the hot glue. Feel free to ask an adult to help you. Sam, how's it going?
They'll be ready soon.
Now let's make our pieces more solid. We're going to glue little wood blocks inside. Soon you'll see why we need them.
Sue, I finished.
Good job, Sammy. Could you make another piece like this?
Sure, be right back.
Great. In the meantime, I'm going to do the same with this piece. Outside and inside, we covered the piece with colored paper. Let's do the same with this piece as well. Now we're going to make little pockets. Insert the pieces carefully. Look, this way. Check out how beautiful it is. Now I can put all my things here.
So the dressing table remains clean.
Whoa, Very useful. Now I won't get confused with your perfume.
I'm sorry, what? Did you take my perfume without my permission?
I'm kidding. Truly.
Kidding, huh? Here, glue everything now.
I got it. My bad. Will do. Alright. Here. All done.
Now we can finally glue our side pieces. And the heart transforms into a real shelf. Right, Sammy?
For now, it looks like a spaceship. I'd be so happy if it was, actually.
Oh, we'll build you a spaceship, but only if you promise to behave.
It's always the terms. Who's the great inventor? I am the great inventor! So look!
Oh, wow! A cork sheet is just what I need.
Of course! I love to make crafts and I know when you need something.
Let's see.
You're a craft master of the 80th level! How can you be so good?
You taught me.
Yeah, I'm a great teacher.
Well, I don't like this color. Shall we change it? Done.
What are you gonna do with them?
Well, it's for the decor. I'll put them on the doors.
Of course. It was me who brought the cork.
Sure. Do you remember those colorful wooden sticks we had?
Yep. Why do you need them?
I've got an idea. Bring them.
Here are your sticks, Sue.
Perfect. We're gonna make…
A stick well?
Why a well?
Well, I saw they made a well of similar pieces once.
Yeah? Anyway, no. I'm not gonna make a well. By the way, guys, be careful with the cutter.
But what are we making anyway?
Think, Sammy.
I know! These are hangers!
Right you are. Hangers for the accessories. Very soon you'll see how they work. And now…
Take it, Sue.
Oh, Sammy, thanks. You read my mind. Again.
You're welcome.
Let's attach them to our shelf so the doors can open. Carefully fasten this door hinge.
Susie, go get all your girly stuff. I got this.
Yeah? Okay, here. Wow, Sammy, it's so beautiful! Oh, Sammy, you even put it on the wall?
Yep, I'm a jack of all trades. Check it out, I even made a special Velcro fastener.
Awesome! Thank you, Sammy! Oh, I want to fill the shelf sooner. On this level, I'll keep all my cosmetics. And here, I'll put my makeup brushes. Here, I'll keep my accessories. This is why we made the little hangers. I like it. I'll put my jewel box here. It fits perfectly. I think I'm forgetting things for hair. There. And this will be a place for my notebook. Oh, by the way, it's a great place to put notes. Look.
Wow, we did a great job.
Tell me about it. We did it because we're a good team, Sam.
I'm happy. And you?
Of course! If you liked our cardboard shelf for accessories, give a thumbs up and make your own crafts. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to hit the bell not to miss our new videos. Bye!